Hello, David Stewart from Straight Talk Financial Planning, my Monday Musings for the 12th of March 2021. I've been looking back at previous Monday Musings, in particular one that I did this time in 2019, when I attempted to explain what an inverted yield curve was. Really, really exciting stuff that had explained why investors were going into the bond market rather than equities. What I've tried to explain in this week's musings is why there is a similarity between the way that the stock market is performing at the moment and the current housing situation in the UK. As you probably know, in the UK, house prices are being pushed ahead, largely driven by the stamp duty holiday that's been going on, which means there's actually more buyers than there are sellers. And if there's a commodity for which there is more appetite than there is facility, the price goes up. But the same thing is happening to a degree in the stock market, in that now that the vaccines are being delivered across the world, the fright that was there and was driving markets down is easing. So people are taking a much more optimistic view of how the markets are likely to perform in the near and distant future. What this means is actually probably an appropriate moment to revisit money that you have in the bank, in cash ISAs, or even on current accounts, or maybe in premium bonds, where the return, once you've allowed for inflation, does mean that in real terms your money is losing value. If you've got money that you don't need as a rainy day money, and you can afford to think about being there for the next 3 years or so to allow for stock market cycles, really is the time to start looking at the marketplace and the opportunities that are there, whether you use an IFA or not. You should be looking at stocks and shares ISAs, German investment accounts. That's a combination of a variety of unit trusts and OICs, or things of that nature, that where the stock market and the movements on the market controls the value of your investment. Really is a time to think maybe this is the right moment to take money out of cash and put it on the market. So that's David Stewart, Straight Talk Financial Planning. If you need to talk to us, my telephone number 02380243665, or indeed go to our website and you can get in touch with us in that method. Look forward to talking to you next week. Please do get in touch if you've got any questions at all. This is David Stewart signing off. Good afternoon.